In this video, I'll walk you through the navigation environment in Maglr. So first of all, the navigation environment is the environment that surrounds all of your publications via a navigation menu, for example, with which you'll be able to navigate through all of the pages of the project. And it also opens a side menu, for example, in which you'll be able to provide more information to your viewers about your organization, or leave a context details page, or give users the possibility to share the exact page to any of their social media platforms. So that's the navigation environment, and we're going to set that in Maglr now by going back to Maglr and going into the settings tab and then selecting navigation environments. And then we'll come over to this page in which you will see all of the navigation environments present in your account. And we can edit them on the right side of the screen by clicking the edit or the pencil icon here on the right side. And this opens the window with all of the navigation environment settings. I'm going to walk you through some global settings for this. So first of all, we can name our environment, so tutorial videos, for example. And then we can set a language for our environment and select an email address for our environment. So whenever someone leaves their contact details or fills out a form that is in your publication, those details, that data, will be sent to that very email address. So be sure to fill this out, to fill your email address in here in order to send all of that data to the correct address. Then we have the special settings here. First one being the search engine indexation. So normally all of your publications that you publish live are automatically indexed by all of the search platforms, so Google and Bing, for example. If you don't want that to happen, simply turn this switch off and your publications will not be picked up by those search engines, so people will not be able to search for them through those search engines. Then we have an option called Activate Cookie Consent Notification, which is very useful for you if you want to track some data, if you want to generate some statistics of your publication. You want your people to consent with that data, to provide you that data. So you can enable that cookie consent notification here. They will have to accept it in order to view the publication. Then we have a navigation help tip as well, which you can enable. So first-time viewers, so people who are viewing any of your publications for the very first time, will see a specific message guiding them through the navigation options of the publication. Then we're going to the logos tab here. So there's 3 places where you can place a logo in the navigation environment. So in the entire environment that surrounds all of your publications. Simply upload it here and it will automatically be applied to that specific page or that specific type of menu. Then we have the overview page, which you can enable in the domain settings. This displays basically an overview of all projects that have been published to that domain. So you can select a background and select a specific type of overview page that you would like to be shown whenever someone navigates to that page. Then we have the navigation menu, which is the menu with which people navigate through the publication. And of course, you'll be able to change that very look and feel of the menu here and add some additional buttons or change the position of the menu as well. Then we have the side menu, which I've shown earlier as well. And you can enable all of the pages that are being shown in that very side menu, in that very side panel, or enable the buttons in the navigation menu as well. Then we have the colors and fonts section, in which you'll be able to apply all types of colors and your font as well, which will be applied to all of the surrounding navigation environments to basically comply with the style of your organization. Then we have the user subscribe tab, so people can subscribe to your publications whenever you let them. So you can turn this switch on here in order for people to subscribe to your publications. So whenever you publish a new project live, they will receive a notification that you've just published something live and they will be taken directly to that very publication. Then we have the analytics section with which you can connect your very own analytics, so Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager, for example, to generate the data of your viewers' behavior when viewing the publication. You can review that data directly in your own Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager account. And then last but not least, we have the text sections, which is divided by either, in this case, Dutch or English. So you can provide the correct language for your viewers. So whichever language they're viewing the publication in, or whichever language they're viewing the overview page in, they will see the correct language displayed. So for each language, you can set all of these tabs here. So you can open all of these tabs. On whatever page they're on, whenever part of the site menu, for example, they have open, will display the correct information you set here. And that concludes the contents of this video. Be sure to check out any of the other videos to get more information about Maglr and its editors.